The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Note 9 has finally gone official, and we got some hands-on time with the unit at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in New York. Let's take a quick look at what it offers. It looks like the rumor mill has been spot on about the number of aspects of the Galaxy Note 9, one of them being the screen. The phone sports a 6.4-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display with an 18.5:9 aspect ratio and a pixel density of a whopping 516 ppi. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC here in the US, but in India, we'll be getting the Galaxy Note 9 with the Samsung's Exynos 9810 SoC. It comes in two RAM and storage variants, one with 6GB and 128GB of storage, and another with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Both variants have expandable storage support for up to an additional 512GB via microSD card. All this fueled by a 4000 mAh battery that's 21% bigger than the one on last year's Galaxy Note 8. It supports fast charging on both wired and wireless models. The phone will come with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box with Samsung's Experience UI on top. The unit that will be sold in the US is a single SIM device, but in India, it will have dual SIM support and a hybrid SIM slot that would be able to support either two SIMs or expandable storage at a time. The S Pen, which Samsung says is its biggest reason why people buy the Note phones, is getting an upgrade as well as an all-new yellow color. The stylus is now getting a Bluetooth module. It will be powered by a supercapacitor this time, giving it 30 minutes of usage or 200 button clicks with just 40 seconds of charging. There's a lot more functionality added as well. You can use the stylus as a presentation remote, control gallery, YouTube and other apps, and even switch cameras with the double tap. Samsung has opened the SDK to developers for more S Pen functionality. Besides these, Samsung has added new S Pen functions like customizing AR emojis and tracing photos to hand-drawn pictures. The Note 9 comes with a horizontal dual rear camera setup. Both are 12 megapixel sensors with autofocus lenses. The secondary sensor has a telephoto lens with a 2x optical zoom support. The camera supports up to 10x digital zoom and optical image stabilization as well. On the front, there's a single 8 megapixel camera. There are a number of interesting features added to the cameras by Samsung like Scene Optimizer with 20 types of scenes, flaw detection, HDR, and live focus in low light. So this is a quick first look at Samsung's brand new Galaxy Note 9 smartphone. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.